first class children. Very good morning to all. So we had completed the lesson, isn't it? From like yesterday I had given the question answers for you all and named the following. Today I am going to show you the some few bits. Okay, like నేను మీకు ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ట్యాబ్లో చూపిస్తాను. నేను ఎట్లా రాయాలి అని కాలమ్స్ చూపిస్తాను. ఒక 3 కాలమ్స్ చూపిస్తాను. Okay, about seasons and about meals, and another column I'll show you in the about the food. Okay, related to the healthy food and junk food. Okay, so you're all ready for the class, children, and I hope this class will be very clear for you. This is only very simple for you. Just you have to understand what is this column, why teacher had drawn those 3 columns. Okay, what are the needy things, why we need all those things, in which season, okay, which meal, in which way we have to take. These all I'm going to show you in the board. Okay, just listen to my class, children. Now listen. This is lesson number 9, food, clothes and shelter. Food, clothes and shelter. Okay, now listen here, children. We had learned 3 seasons, isn't it? Summer, you don't draw anything, this is summer. Okay, winter, suppose if teacher is asking like this, winter, then you have rainy season. Okay, now tell me, children, this is summer season, is it? Which type of dress you will wear? Cotton clothes. Okay, let me start from the dress. What is a dress? Which dress you will wear? Cotton clothes. Exactly. Okay, cotton you are using. Okay, and winter you are using woolen, isn't it? In rainy you are using raincoat. Okay, this matter is completed about the dress during the season. And the next one is, afterward, which type of dress you will wear? Type of dress, you will wear your t-shirt, okay, or shorts, anything you can write. Next, here woolen dress, you can take the example of sweater. Which type of dress you will wear? Sweater. Raincoat, waterproof dress, you will wear always waterproof dress, isn't it? Okay, now let me start about the food. Okay, so during summer, what do you like to eat during summer? Ice cream, isn't it? And winter season, moreover, you like to eat what? Hot foods, isn't it? Hot type of hot, like what do you like? Soup. Okay, you will like to have hot soup. Then food also, it should be very hot, isn't it? Other than that, you can go for another example for in the winter season. So in food you have given the example of ice cream, and during winter season you won't take ice cream, isn't it? But what you would like to have? Soup. Moreover, you like to have more soup. Okay, otherwise other foods things are there, but you have to take the like what type of food? Not cold things, you have to go for all. You have to prepare only hot foods, hot food. Okay, next, rainy season. Okay, we'll do one thing, we don't need of writing this all food type. If I write the food type again, you will get confusion, children. So let me continue with the next step. Is not only about the dress, we will go for the, so we have written the seasons. Okay, so according to the season, which type of dress we are wearing? Cotton. Cotton means example t-shirt, woolen sweater, raincoat, waterproof. Okay, so if I write more than that, you will get more confusion. So I don't want to go for all foods or other things. So this is enough. Next one, second column is, this is A. Okay, now we will go for like this. Lunch. Sorry, we will start from breakfast. Okay, children, breakfast. What type of breakfast? This I had shown you 3 days before. I told you to prepare this column. Have you done it? ఈ చేసారా ఇది? కాలమ్ చేయమని మీకు అందరికి. Okay, the next one, see children, Breakfast. What is that? What type of breakfast you like to have? Bread and butter, bread butter, bread jam, bread butter, jam. Okay. Boiled egg. You can take egg, milk, isn't it? And idli, something different. Okay, these are the things. And lunch, you can go for rice, dal, okay, any curries. Then you can go for curry, vegetable curry, any mixed vegetable curry, anything you can write. Okay. Then afterwards for dinner again roti. You will have the roti and curry. Okay, this is enough. So we are not using here, we are not adding any oily food. Just you can use in during lunch time you can add curd also. We can add curd. Okay. Then other things also. Breakfast, bread, butter, jam, egg, milk and idli. During lunch time you can have rice, dal, any vegetable curry, mixed vegetable curry or green leafy vegetables. Anything you can have and along with the curd. Okay. Dinner simple, that is roti with curry. Okay. This is the second column. So first column I had shown you the seasons, what type of dress you will wear, example the name of the dress I had shown you. Second column I had shown the breakfast, about the meals. Okay, what are the food, which type of food you should have to take during breakfast, during lunch time and dinner time. Okay, these are two columns we had completed. The next one, third column. The third column is about the plants food. You can write plants food, name of the plants food and animals food. Animal food, plant food and animal food. Okay. So, what are the plant food? Tell me now. What are the plant food? Yes, you can start from fruits. Okay. Second one, vegetables. Vegetables. Okay, children. And third one, pulses. Fourth one, cereals. So these all comes under what? Vegetables. Okay. Now the next one, even green leafy vegetable also vegetable. Animal food. What are they? Egg, milk, honey, isn't it? Fish, meat. Okay, children. So we had completed now three columns, three different columns. Is it clear, children? This is a plant food and animal food. Okay. So if I ask you to write name some plant food means you can write fruit, vegetable, pulses, cereals. Animal food, egg, milk, honey, fish and meat. Is it clear? Now, if plant foods, from where do you get all those things? From plants. And what about all those things? Egg, milk, honey, fish, meat, from where do we get? From animals. Okay, children? So these are the difference between the plant food and animal food. Okay. The next one is fourth column. Healthy food and junk food. What is that? Healthy food and junk food. See here. Healthy food. See how many columns teacher I was doing now? Healthy food and junk food. Okay, children. So let me write the differences. So look at this column. What are the things you will get from healthy food? What are the things? Egg is a healthy food. Milk is a, not, you don't go for healthy food, is egg. Then you go for vegetables. Okay, different kinds of vegetables are the healthy food. Okay, even pulses are also healthy food. Cereals also comes under healthy food. Okay, all types of food grains, it is coming under the healthy food. Fruits. Okay, So this type of things you have to add in the healthy food. What about junk food? Here you can see pizza, burger, okay, ice cream, chips, ice cream, chips, cake and chaat. Okay, so these are the junk foods. Can you able to follow? Healthy food are again egg, vegetable, pulses, cereals, fruit, even meat is also healthy food. You can have the meat. Okay, fish also healthy food. You can add here fish also. So these are the what it comes under the healthy food. Here junk food, what are they? Pizza, burger, ice cream, chips, cake and chaat. So the chaat also will come under the junk food. So how many differences have you seen that column? So first column teacher shown the seasons and what type of dress you should have to wear. Second column teacher had shown the plant food and animal food. Third column I had shown you the healthy food and junk food, isn't it? So these are the columns are very important, and the thing is what you can easily understand in this lesson what are the టాపిక్స్ వీ హెడ్ డిస్కస్డ్. ఓకే, మనం ఏమేమి నేర్చుకున్నాం ఈ లెసన్లో ఇవన్నీ మనం కాలమ్స్లో వచ్చింది. ఇంకోటి మనం కాలం ఏంటి? బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్, లంచ్ అండ్ డిన్నర్, అవి కూడా మనం రాసుకున్నాం. సో మొత్తం కలిపితే 4 కాలమ్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఆల్ దోస్ 4 కాలమ్స్ ఆర్ కవర్డ్ అబౌట్ వాట్ అవర్ the lesson is food, clothes and shelter. Okay children, so this topic about this session is completed now. This is only for your revision class. Okay, now you can, I will send it in the message. Just go for the practice so that you will have a good idea. When I ask any test now, you can be able to write very easily. అర్థమవుతుందా? మేము ఏదైనా మీకు అడిగితే క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ అడిగితే టెస్ట్ అలాగా మీకు పెడితే మీకు ఇది ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఈ లెసన్ మొత్తం మనకి దీంట్లో ఈ కాలమ్స్లో కవర్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో ప్లీజ్ చిల్డ్రన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఫర్ ద రెగ్యులర్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ చిల్డ్రన్, విల్ యూ డూ ఇట్? వెరీ గుడ్. So please keep on doing the practice in the class work and rough note. But class work only should write only one time. But rough note you can do n number of time as like you. Like as much you want to do it. If you do more practice, you will remember. Okay. So go for a good practice and keep on doing the other lessons also. You can go for the revisions. Learn the next lesson. If the lesson is completed, teacher, I know this all the bits I can understand, then you go for again once again you learn from the lesson number 1. You can go for the practice until if I start the new lesson, you can go for the practice children. Okay, thank you children.